Hello friends, welcome to my channel Ingredients Inside. If you haven't subscribed yet, press the subscribe button and press to never miss any important update. So friends, today I'm gonna review Natio Skincare Moisturizing Sun Lotion with SPF 50, 250 ml bottle. It is a nice moisturizing lotion. On and all, the packaging is very nice. The bottling is very nice. And if you're looking for a good sunscreen lotion in the market, then yeah, Natio is a good brand. They have probably made good products in the market, and with decent SPF. The SPF is also very good because SPF 50 is a decent SPF, and probably the ingredients are also very good. Has zinc oxide, so yeah, it is it is free from harmful chemicals at least, and broad spectrum protecting you from UVA and UVB both, so that is also a good quality of the sunscreen. And yeah, does not has any harmful chemicals because it is a physical sunscreen, so it probably does not absorb. It will reflect back the UV rays. So all in all, the sunscreen is very good. The product is very good. Natio being an older brand, they've always made good products in the market, and they have given really good products for the market, top notch products in the market. And this product being lightweight and very easy to use, very faster to apply and very faster to absorb as well. The product is very nice, and all in all, it is bound to give you good results, will protect you from getting tanned. If you are looking and if you're looking forward for a good sunscreen, and you are probably fond of fair skin, you want to protect your fair skin from getting tanned, then Natio sunscreen lotion is a good lotion. It will surely give you good results. The packaging and everything is also very nice, protect you from UVA and UVB both. uh, Broad spectrum sunscreen, I would like to say SPF 50 plus is a decent SPF. Almost all sunscreens have SPF 50, so the SPF is also very decent. The fragrance is also very little. It does not has much of fragrance in it. So if you're thinking that you should be buying the sunscreen or no, I would say the sunscreen is very good. The sunscreen is very nice and lightweight and nice to use. Then I would definitely recommend you to buy this sunscreen. And yeah, for good results. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.